We have very big news today about Tesla and its next electric vehicle and battery plant. Tesla aims to build battery and electric vehicle plant in Indonesia. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Bahlil from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla breaking news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla coverage. According to Indonesia's investment minister Bahlil Lahadalia, Tesla agreed to build a battery and EV plant in Indonesia following Elon Musk's meeting with President Joko Widodo last weekend. God willing, Tesla will enter Indonesia this year, said Bahlil in Jakarta. But I can't announce the month yet. Let's wait because we haven't signed an agreement yet. How much investment is still being kept secret. Still waiting. But this is good stuff, big stuff. End of the quote from him. The Minister of Investment divulged that Tesla is eyeing an industrial complex in central Java province for its new electric vehicle factory in Indonesia, reported Benar News. On Tuesday, May 17, Bahlil stated that Indonesia and Tesla's team are working on a deal, hoping to have a solid investment plan by the end of 2022. The team is negotiating, but rest assured the president has a special move to woo Elon Musk. I personally have faith in it. God willing, Elon Musk's investment will come to our country, Bahlil said. This is big news, friends. Elon Musk has met with several Indonesian officials in the past few weeks. Most recently, President Jokowi visited Elon Musk at SpaceX in Texas. The pair talked about innovation and technology during President Jokowi's visit to SpaceX. Previously, Musk and Jokowi met at Gigafactory to discuss Tesla's potential nickel investment in Indonesia. The Center for Strategic and International Studies, called CSIS, published commentary in December 2021 that touched on Indonesia's nickel reserves. According to CSIS, Indonesia holds the world's largest nickel reserves. The country produces 1 million metric tons per annum, accounting for 37% of the world's nickel production. Indonesia leverages its nickel reserves to attract investment in the battery supply chain. The Indonesian government banned the export of raw nickel in January 2020. Pay attention to that last sentence because this is going to make us to understand why Tesla chose Indonesia for its next Gigafactory. Again, Indonesia leverages its nickel reserves to attract investment in the battery supply chain. The Indonesian government banned the export of raw nickel in January 2020. Earlier this year, the government claimed that the raw nickel export ban has positively impacted Indonesia as it resulted in increased mining investments and exports of nickel-derived products. In other words, if you want to use Indonesian nickel, you have to build your battery production factory facility in Indonesia. You can't export it. Therefore, this makes perfect sense. If Tesla is going to build its battery production facility in Indonesia, why not the Gigafactory? I think Indonesia has about 80 or 100 million population, right? Or it's more than that. I don't know the number in front of me, friends, but if you guys know, please let me know in the comment section below. So Tesla is going to build a factory there, and battery factory there, and electric factory there. Indonesia commissioned its first plant to process nickel in May 2021. 7 more nickel projects are in the works. In the description of this video, I'm going to post a link of all the references that I provided for this report. I've said earlier this year that Tesla by the end of 2022, by the end of this year, Tesla will announce where it's going to build its next Gigafactory. We don't have a word if it's going to be a huge Gigafactory or a facility, but it looks like it's going to be big if it's going to be a battery factory as well, because in Giga Berlin, Tesla is building a battery factory. It's a huge Gigafactory. Same with Giga Texas, and it's going to be the same at Indonesia. What do you think, friends? Were you expecting Indonesia to be the next Gigafactory place? I think by the end of this year, Tesla will also announce the location of another Gigafactory. Probably 2 Gigafactories will start construction next year. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I'm thinking of that. What do you think about this? Let's have the discussion in the comment section below, friends. And if you would like to use our super chat option, I would greatly appreciate it. Have a blessed day. God bless you. This is Armin Hari. I'm from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a blessed day. See you soon in our next Tesla report.